Hello everyone, in this video we are given this nice radical expression and we are to evaluate without using any calculator. But before we begin, if you are new here, please consider subscribed. It is free, there's no charges on that, and you can change your mind at any time. Thanks a lot for subscribing. Now let's get started. We have square root of 5 could be written as 3 plus 2, then minus 2 square root of 6. I can write 3 as 3 square root all to the power 2 plus 2 is also the same as square root of 2 all to the power 2 minus 2 square root of 6. Then we have our square root. Then from here we will let square root of 3 equal to a and square root of 2 equal to b. So we would have a squared plus b squared minus square root of 3 times square root of 2 will be square root of 6. So we will have 2 times ab. Then we have our square root over here nicely. But note, a minus b all to the second power, if we expand this, we have a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So we see that what we have here is the exact same thing here. So in place of this one, we can put a minus b all squared. So we would have square root of a minus b squared. And we see that this square will cancel this. Now we are left with a minus b, which is equal to a is square root of 3 and then b is square root of 2 as our final answer. So guys, subscribe to my channel. Like I said, it is free, there's no charges on that. Like the video, comment and share. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.